Elementary teachers, let's grow food gardens with your class in 2024. Why not? The fact is, majority of elementary teachers won't do this with their class in 2024. The reason is majority of them don't even see the point. But that's not you, or you wouldn't be following my work. The bad news is majority of you who do follow this work and who'd love to grow food with their students in 2024 won't even take the first step. The reason is it sounds intimidating. It sounds like it's outside of your expertise. It sounds like a lot of work, that it would require a lot of your extra time. You don't even know if you're allowed to do it. I mean, doesn't it require some sort of outdoor garden space and therefore approvals? And even the thought of getting approvals for something like this overwhelms you. And you think that you have to organize volunteer groups and gardening committees for this. And you don't want to organize anyone else other than your students. That's already more than enough. Overall, it sounds like something a martyr teacher would do, one who's willing to sacrifice even more than normal. And we all know that the normal amount of sacrifices teachers make are already unbelievable. So is that true? Is it really that hard? I have good news and bad news for you. The bad news is that it can totally be that hard if you do it the wrong way. And unfortunately, most do. Hence the unbelievable low number of success rate. And the good news is that you can 100% do this with ease, without sacrificing any of your extra personal time, without an outdoor garden space, hence the approvals that might come with it, and without organizing no one, just you and your students. Yes, you can grow 100% hands-on, educational, flourishing, producing, impactful food garden with your students with ease and without any of those headaches. Best part is you'll be teaching your curriculum in this garden. Yes, your math and science and language and all that. I'll be breaking all of these down in the upcoming videos, but if you want all of it and plus much more for free in one place, go register into the School Gardens with Ease 2024 free 60-minute webinar for elementary teachers. I lay everything down for you. I give you my two-phase plan, not just for getting started, but all the way to a flourishing school garden, outdoor school garden, with all the practical details and handouts and everything. Go grab your spot.